So let's start with a good posture. Feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky, chin parallel. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out. Inhale, bring the arms up, palms together. Exhale, hands down to the chest. Again, inhale, looking up to the hands. Exhale, follow the hands down. Inhale. Exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And bring the arms in front of the body. Bring the arms up and around. Swap the arms over and again. Up and around. So just in your own time, a nice smooth motion. Just warming up the shoulders, warming up the back. Crossing the right leg over the left. You can either have the feet a little bit staggered or toes in line if you can. Left hand on the hip, right arm reaching up. Inhale, exhale gently over to the side. Try and keep the body facing forwards and then come back. Inhale, lengthen first. Exhale a little bit further. And come back. One more inhale. And exhale. So keep breathing and then bring the arm down and around. Go to the other side. Then crossing the left leg over the right. The right hand on the hip, left arm reaching up. Inhale. Exhale over. Come back to the middle. Inhale. Exhale a little bit further. Back to center. One more inhale and exhale and breathe. Bring the arm down and around. So I want to work on the star pose. So keep the body facing forwards, weight on that left leg and bring that right leg up. Try and straighten the arms, straighten the legs, belly button squeezed in. On to the other side. So weight on the right, and we'll lift that left leg. Remember, find a focus point, something still to stare at. So we can do that again. Bringing that right leg up. So get the balance first. And then see if we can lift the leg a little bit higher. And then a little higher. Maybe even a little bit higher. Remember to breathe. And the other side. And bringing that left leg up. Find the balance. And if you can, lift a little higher. A little bit higher. Tiny bit higher if you can. And bringing that leg down. So standing pose, we're working on the high lunge. So left foot forward, right foot back. So the right heel is up. both sets of toes facing forwards, that left knee's bent. So try and have the hips above the shoulders, and we'll just hold with the palms pressed together in front of the chest, and just find the balance there. Swap to the other side. So that right leg forward, left leg back. So remember, both toes facing forwards, the left heel is up, that right knee is bent. Shoulders above the hips, hands together in front of the chest, and just hold there. And just bring in the legs back. I'm going to do one more each side. Now if that was challenging enough, just stay in that basic high lunge, or we can add a twist. So once you're steady, you bring in the right elbow to the outside of the left knee. Pressing the palms together so the fingers are tracking in the same direction as the toes. And that left elbow is pointing up to the sky. Now if the front knee feels okay, sweep the back leg forwards. And to the other side. Remember, the left heel's now up, the right knee is bent, hips facing forwards. So you can hold in the basic pose, or if you want to add the twist, taking the left elbow to the outside of the right knee. Line up the fingers so they're tracking in line with the toes, and that right elbow pointing up towards the sky, or whatever modification you need. Back to the middle. If that right knee's okay, sweep the left leg forwards. And we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. So feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, string from the crown up to the sky, chin parallel. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath to the lower hand, and just see if you can feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. Bring the arms down, and we're all done.